Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by focusing on every daily objective available in the game. Complete those tasks to earn between 500 and 5,000 coins each day. Next, prioritize limited events and campaign matches for higher payouts and player rewards. Join seasonal competitions to collect rank rewards and season milestones. Also log in every day to claim free bonuses and occasional packs. This simple routine creates steady target campaign chapters and event challenges that offer coin payouts between 1,000 and 20,000 coins. Play PvP modes to increase your rank each week and gain better coin rewards. Use squad battles and special tournaments to earn additional prize coins and packs. Focus on time-limited milestone goals that unlock bulk coin payouts when you reach thresholds. Rotate through a mix of daily matches and challenge objectives to maximize total coin earnings each week. Use the transfer market to flip players and earn coins consistently. Buy low and resell higher while remembering the 5% market tax on all sales. Monitor peak hours when more buyers are active to list surplus players for better prices. Use quick filters and price checks to spot undervalued listings and clear targets. Avoid panic selling. Instead, list for small profit margins repeatedly to grow your coin balance predictably over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.